Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Dear children, today we are going to learn capital letters and small letters. Today I am going to show you the difference between capital or small letters. Okay children, see here. This is small a, capital A, small a, capital A. See the next, small b, capital B, small b, capital B. After B, C, small c, capital C, small c, capital C. After C, D, small d, capital D, small d, capital D. After D, E, small e, capital E, small e, capital E. Okay, after E, F, small f, capital F, small f, capital F. After F, G, small g, capital G, small g, capital G. After G, H, small h, capital H, small h, capital H. After H, letter I. See here, I, small I, capital I, small I, capital I. After I, J, small j, capital J, small j, capital J. After J, letter K. Okay children, see, small k, capital K, small k, capital K. After K, L, small l, capital L, small l, capital L. After L, M, small m, capital M, small m, capital M. After M, N, small n, capital N. After N, O, small o, capital O. After O, P, small p, capital P. After P, Q, small q, capital Q. After Q, R, small r, capital R. After R, S, small s, capital S. After S, T, capital T. Small t, capital T, small t, capital T. After small t, capital T, letter U, small u, capital U. After U, V, small v, capital V. After V, W, small w, capital W. After W, X, small x, capital X. After X, Y, small y, capital Y. After Y, Z, small z, capital Z. Okay children, these are small and capital letters. See here. Here once again we are going to recapitulate. Here children, few letters are small, few letters are capital. So here you need to identify which, see here, circle the small letters. See here in these blocks, few letters are capital, few letters are small. Here, but what we have to do is we have to circle only small letters. Okay children, now let's recall. See, small g, whatever small letters are there we have to circle. Small u, circle it. Small o, circle it. Small e, circle it. Why we are circling? Why? Because these are small letters. Okay, small r, circle it. Capital D, shall we circle? No. Only we have to circle small letters. After D, this small z, circle it. Whatever small we have to circle. Capital X, no circle. Small a, circle it. See the next, capital B, O, no. We have to circle only small. So capital B is no circle to capital B. The next letter, letter H, capital H. no circle. Small I, circle it. Small L, circle it. Capital K, no circle. Capital C, no. Small W, yes, circle it. Small W. Capital F, no circle. Small y, circle it. Small a, circle it. Whatever small letters are there, we have to circle. See, capital N, no circle. Small m, yeah, circle it. So, this is your activity worksheet, children. We have to do in this manner. Okay, children? Hope you understand. Thank you.